So after my client is done with her Botox treatment for vaginismus, she wants to know what is the aftercare that she should follow for this procedure. So let's discuss that today. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Malvika Appasani, cosmetic and functional gynecologist from Eternal Aesthetics, Hyderabad. So many patients get this Botox treatment done generally on a routine basis for their facial muscles. Very few people need it for vaginismus. So compared to Botox treatment for the facial requirement, we use very little quantity. For vaginismus, we use little more units of Botox. And not just that, when we use it for facial tissues, it's just an office-based procedure wherein they just come, get it done and go. But when we do it in vaginismus clients, we do it under short general anesthesia. So the recovery period post it is just as any anesthesia, wherein they can stay for 2 hours and finally recover and then go back home. So these Botox injections, like anywhere in the body, they might cause little bruising, redness and swelling even at the vulval area. So we generally advise them to use some ice packs to reduce them with their pain so that they feel much relieved. And very importantly, we'll ask them not to massage the area, because with massages this Botox will spread. We don't want it to spread much. So we generally ask them not to massage the area. So these minimal swellings or bruises also might take a week or 2 to disappear completely. And post Botox, we also ask the patient not to take something like sitz bath or hot water showers or saunas, anything to do with hot steaming, because this might reduce the efficacy of the Botox. As such, with good maintenance, the Botox treatment's effect will last from 6 months to 8 months depending on how the patient's body is. And in our patients of vaginismus, there is no downtime as such for these vaginal dilatation exercises. So they can continue these immediately post the procedure. And once they are fine, they can move on further to vaginal insertions. So this is a simple aftercare which we generally recommend to our vaginismus clients, that is, who undergo Botox treatment. I hope you found this video informative. If you find this video informative, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want further notifications from us, do not forget to press the bell icon.